Material waste and uneven drops are challenges every fabricator faces. Without the right tools, remnants pile up, become inconsistent, and are difficult to reuse. Our advanced remnant features change that. The software efficiently creates and tracks larger nest drops with the flexibility to set minimum remnant sizes by material and thickness. Fabricators can also decide whether duplicate runs generate unique remnants or a single remnant with duplicate quantities, ensuring accurate, customizable tracking. Our remnant trim cut options go a step further by automatically applying a straight trim cut at the end of a nest. This creates cleaner, more usable remnants while validating their viability, removing the need for manual offcut handling. Unlike older versions and competitor solutions that lack flexible sizing or minimum remnant distance validation, our approach ensures every remnant is usable, traceable, and ready for the next job. All of this leads to less waste, cleaner remnants, and a smarter material utilization from every nest.